What's up, my Shuggies? Ashley here, and in today's video we have a huge Target haul as well as a guest bathroom revamp and reveal. I have been working on this bathroom for so long. If you follow me on my Instagram, you would know that this is something I just could not get right. And I finally, thanks to Target, was able to complete this bathroom, and I wanted to share it with you guys because so many of the pieces are from Target. I also am just going to do a massive haul showing you all the amazing things that I've recently picked up at Target, ranging from new items for my office, endless tanner, home decor, and spring and summer apparel. So if you're interested in seeing this massive Target haul and review, then just keep watching. All right, you guys, we are starting off with this set, and I actually have these shorts in 3 different colors now because that's how much I love them. This is the most amazing set I feel like Wild Fable has probably ever come out with. It is the perfect short. They call it the dolphin short, and it is so comfortable. I love a good raw hem, and the fact that they gave it a matching sweatshirt makes it all the more lovable, and it is super duper affordable. I think the shorts were like around $12. So the shorts I did get in a size medium. They are, as you can see, very nice and high-waisted. They are called the dolphin short. They have a little bit of a slit on the side. They do have pockets, and again, that raw hem. The sweatshirt is amazing. I was a little bit scared simply because they did not have my size in it, but I went ahead and got the only size that they had, which was a small, thinking, you know, it was going to be tiny, but to my surprise it was not. It was actually very nice, you know, slightly oversized but very comfortable, and I love it. I also love the fact that they got my birthday right. I was born in 1987, so I guess, you know, that should make me feel old because now they're starting to put my birth year on things. However, I think it is like the cutest, most adorable lounge outfit that is available at Target. It is available in this olive green color. The shorts are available in multiple colors, but the sweatshirt I have only seen in the olive green color. I do have the shorts in the camel and the black color as well. I've shown those before and they are phenomenal. That camel color really is amazing. I also love them because it's super versatile. I had this on 100 different times with my white sweatpants from Wild Fable, and that matches them adorably too. So if you were, you know, running errands and it's a little bit cool outside like it has been the past couple of days here in Florida, then you can still mix and match the sweatshirt with those sweatpants and still have a super cute outfit. So this is going to be my new staple, especially for the spring season, and I will link it below for you guys. Next, I want to talk about these New Day shorts. I have these in black from last year. I don't remember. I think I got a medium large, so these might be too small. However, I love them. They're super, super comfy, cozy, and they have this really nice, thick, high-waisted band. But I got them because I really have been loving just lounging around in like a t-shirt and biker shorts, and I love a good white-on-white moment. So since these are so affordable, I got them also in white because the ones I have from Amazon I hate. These are super affordable, 12 bucks. It says these are a size 4 through 10. I don't know if that's true or not. I'm gonna try them on though, but I love them. They look, of course, adorable on the little model, but I love my black ones. I wear them all the time. They're very nice. They're very comfortable and super duper high-waisted. So this isn't a lie when they say high-waisted. They are a cotton blend. I would say not too stretchy, but not too plain cotton, if that makes sense. They're really kind of a hybrid right in the middle. But I wanted to share these with you guys because I think that you need to get on them before they're sold out for spring and summer. All right, this next outfit is definitely something for the spring and summer season, but I found this really cute ruche kind of like sundress that ties at the shoulders that I absolutely love. I love this because it is super nice and lightweight, and it is like a T-length at the bottom, as you can see. I paired it with one of my 500 million new shoes from Target that I love. These are like the quilted just one strap sandal. Super nice. It comes in, I think, 2 colors. The other color was like a bone white color with like purple flowers. Not my vibe, but I do love the black. I did get this in a size of medium, and I went ahead and ordered a small as well, just because it did seem a little bit big. It does have that ruching around the waist and the chest, but I just felt like it was a little bit boxy. So I did go ahead and get it in the small too, which might make it a little bit shorter, which I think will be a little bit more of a flattering length on me as well. But I do really love it. I think it will be super nice for, like I said, the spring and summer season, which is right around the corner. Any day now, it will be popping out here in Florida. So definitely get on it. The fabric is super, super buttery soft and lightweight, which I love, because you know when you're sticky and hot and walking around, you don't like things touching you. So definitely gonna link this for you guys. Get on some cute little affordable spring dresses. All right, y'all, I don't know where I think I'm going in this outfit, but I just had to try this because it looked so cute when I saw it online, and of course on the Target app and website. But I love this little kind of cropped off the shoulder moment. It has a little corresponding skirt that also has these beautiful little flowers and ties that are adjustable. And I just thought, you know, again, I don't know where I think I'm going, but if I happen to go anywhere, then I have an outfit ready. And I paired it with a cute little crisscross sandals from Target as well, with the studs on them. So you have a complete outfit that is extremely affordable, extremely cute, very fashion forward. And like I said in my podcast, you know, I don't mind trying stuff that is super different, super unique, super fashion forward, whatever, that isn't super expensive. So if next year I decide, you know what, I'm not into this anymore, I don't like this anymore, I'm not gonna feel guilty. But I love this. I love the color. I love the texture. I love all of the floral elements to it. It's not usually anything that I would wear at all, but for whatever reason, it spoke to me and I got it. So if you happen to see me flocking on a beach somewhere, it will probably be in this. And I love it. It is by Wild Fable. I did get mine in a medium in both pieces, just so I had a little bit of extra room. The waist on the skirt is elastic all the way around, so it does not have a tie whatsoever. So I could see it maybe getting a little bit big, but like I said, you know, we're not going to be walking on a red carpet or anything, so I'm not worried about it. But I do love this. I think it is so cute, so fun. I feel like any body would be cute in this. Just a little bit of stomach showing. The skirt is a little bit on the longer side to kind of complement with the top being so short. So really love this. I also love all of the little details of strings and the fact that it is totally off the shoulder. Got a nice little ruffle moment going on there. Definitely a good summer staple in your closet. I also wanted to finally take you in to the wonderful bathroom that I have finally completed. I am so excited, you guys. It took me, I feel like, forever to do this, but it is done and I love the way that it turned out. So I am also in here because I want to tell you about something that I got from Target, but just to show you the little reveal, we're going to start on the side. I had this picture. It was an old little like gemstone picture from Home Goods, and then I got this pot that I've had for a while, or vessel, from Kirkland's, and I put my lovely pampas grass. And then moving over to the sink area, I got this amazing soap dispenser a while ago from Target, but I absolutely love it. I'm not really sure what side I want it on yet, but I'm still kind of playing with it. I think it looks okay over here, but I love it because of the texture. I love the color. It's a beautiful neutral gray color with kind of a gray metal tone top on it. And then of course the infamous World Market candle holder that I love, and this is the smaller size on my petrified wood dish that I've had for a while, and my beautiful little dark brown wood woman that I love so much. She's in her little Zen pose. And of course, this mirror is from Target. I talked about this in another video, my saga with this mirror. I had the same exact mirror in that brown color before, but I didn't think that it really went together well. I felt like it was a little bit too monochromatic. So to bring in that, beating a dead horse here, contrasting color, I went ahead and ended up getting it in black. And if you do stock the website, I promise you'll get it. It just takes a little bit of stocking. So moving on to this basket I got from, where's this from? Michael's. And I just put some toilet paper in there. You can get these anywhere. I think even Hearth and Hand came out with some cute ones. And then finally these shelves, which were like the death of me. I finally got them completed. I just pulled some stuff from other places in my house and got those vessels recently from Home Goods, and I think it worked out perfect. I love the beautiful neutral moment. And then this curtain is one I've had literally forever, but I love the color, texture, and design of it. And then what we came here for, this is from Target. I love this little stool. I got it, had no idea where I was gonna use it at, but decided to try it in here and loved it. I have some washcloths on another petrified dish that I have gotten from Home Goods. And then to complete it, I decided to take down that painting and put these hooks, which I believe are Project 62, and just some clean white towels just to give it a little bit of height to kind of balance it out. I also love when you take a picture, you got the reflection, you have the black hardware, the black hooks, the black over here, the black bowl. So it's kind of pulling those darker colors together, and then also nice against that white cabinet and white countertop. I also just utilized what I had, and I had a white carpet from before, so I just left that there. But I really do love the way that it turned out. I feel like it is complete, especially with this cute little stool. It does come in 2 different sizes. This is the round one, and then there was an oval one, which I believe is bigger. So I was apprehensive to get one that was bigger and more oval because I didn't think I'd have enough space. So I definitely love the round one. It's very clean. But this is the completed bathroom. Right, next is something that I've been working on, and I finally feel like I perfected it. So I wanted to share it with you guys because it is super affordable. And that is making a bed look really nice, high-end, and fluffy. And my biggest concern was getting some sham pillows to be extra full. I would buy these pillows and they would be fine for a couple of weeks, and then they would be like deflated. So then when you put the bed together, it just looks really frumpy dumpy and not cute. So my solution to that was getting 2, that's right, 2 of the standard pillows that are $4 a piece from Target. They also have $6 ones, $8 ones, $10 ones, you know, the whole 9 yards. 2 of the $4 ones, stuff them inside here, and look at how nice and stiff and crisp that looks. So when you're putting these on your bed, in front of your sleeping pillows, or however you decide to adjust them, and then you put your Eurosham or your throw pillow or whatever the case may be, you get a nice crisp full look, and it's super duper affordable. So that is like my little hack I wanted to share with you guys. So if you are into having a really nice high-end looking bed that does not cost a ton, that is a nice little tip for you. I will link the exact ones that I got below for you guys, and of course I'm sure you can get them off of Amazon, IKEA, anywhere in the entire world, but I love them because they were only $4 from Target. Next, I am going to talk about something that I did not know that Target had so many cute versions of, and that is office accessories. You guys, I went a little crazy getting some office accessories, but I came across this brand and they have the nicest stuff ever. It is Russell and Hazel, and they have this really cute, as you can see, matte black stapler, which, oh my gosh, anyone that knows me knows that I love a good matte black anything. So I got the stapler and then these beautiful matte black and acrylic scissors. Look how gorgeous these are. Stuff them in this little pin holder I put together and kind of DIY'd that I got on super clearance at Home Goods. It was like a gold color and I just sprayed it matte black. How cute and chic does that look on this desk? I took them out so you can see what this looks like. So it is just clear and acrylic, and it is by the same brand, Russell and Hazel, and it is acrylic. They call it a, I guess, collator. I don't know. I've never heard that term before. However, I love it. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different spaces. You can literally put anything in there, and I am loving the way it's coming together. I do have one more piece I wanted to show you that I actually used in a different part of my house, but it is for the office. So as you can see here, I got the matching acrylic tray, and this can be used to put, you know, your pen cup on, your stapler, any of that stuff on, but I thought it was the perfect width to put my reading glasses and my sunglasses on and display it so crisp and clean in my beauty room. I thought it fit in perfectly. It was super affordable, and it is literally the perfect width for your sunglasses. So if you like to display your sunglasses, your reading glasses, whatever the case may be, you don't have a ton of cases for them, this is a great option for you. It does come with the little grip feet. All about repurposing those items. You do not have to use them in the way that they are sold. And last but certainly not least, I wanted to talk to you guys about this amazing stuff right here. And I have been looking for a nice sunless tanning spray to use for the upcoming summer season, and this is amazing. It is self-tan water spray, and it is in the dark color. It's by Tanologist. They sell a couple of different versions of this at Target. I've tried the mousse last year, and then this year I decided to just try the water. And I really love the way that it turned out. I use it in the shower after I've dried off and everything. And as you can see, I put on a coat today. It's very even. I have not had any issues with orange patchiness, anything like that. I really recommend it. And the best part is that it is so affordable, very, very affordable. And that's the best thing, is that it is not going to break the bank. So if it's something you want to use a lot of, you don't have to feel guilty. So definitely will link this for you guys. It's one to try. All right, you guys, that is going to wrap up this huge Target haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, I will leave everything linked in the description box down below. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that post notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload new videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.